I slip my headphones on, it's like I'm back home again. Learn to view the world through the sound of my Walkman on hallway walks when everyone talked again. Just enough time to get another song in. It brought me back to a place where I was comfortable. Listening to lyrics didn't look as if I needed help. Isolated in my drum fills and music notes, filling up my heart with all the sounds allowing me to cope. And I was stoked, following their footsteps. Musicians have a son, it's always dope if he can do it next. So there I was, always buried in my earbuds, labeled as shy, never finding who I really was. 8 years old, started learning how to buzz. Put that trumpet to my mouth, I couldn't put it down. Because whether I was forced or not, my image, I adopted it. And once you think it's true, it's really hard to want to stop it. Now I can't be a hypocrite, you made your bet, now laying it. And it took me 20 years to feel as if I had a say in it. I felt that weight on my shoulders lift, overcame a fear and let my life stop the shift. Like the journey's never finished, we always have an image. It governs how we act and can make us feel different. It's all about your mission, aligning up with the vision, understanding what you're given and searching for inner wisdom. We always have an image, we always have an image. It governs how we act and can make us feel different. It's all about your mission, aligning up with the vision, understanding what you're given and searching for inner wisdom. Yeah, look. Now see, I came full circle, 1 year without music, making academic hurdles, no emotional movement. My improvement was minimal, started to feel cynical, until I started using beats to make my feelings literal. And the insight of artists who were trying their hardest helped me harness a skill set to target my weaknesses. Fact is, music is a way for me to check in. I reckon if I just stop to sit with all my stresses, I can focus on that second and begin to feel connected. Fill up another moleskin to add to my collection. And it's infectious, this obsession with expression taught me lessons overwhelming how compelling dedication is. Committed to a life of love, starting with myself. Lyricism is a gift to help me figure it out. And no doubt I'll face pain, feel I want to change lanes. But the key to this game is getting soaked when it rains.